Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. At what time during this shift is the average worker performing at peak efficiency? So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to find first derivative of the function. First derivative of t to the power of 3, we will have about 3t squared. This one, we have 2t. And this one, you got about number 2. So we simplify, and we got about negative 6t squared plus 24t plus 2. So I will put about first derivative of the function equal to number 0, so that this one equals to number 0. So we find two solutions in here. That's about t equals. So t equals to 6 plus the square root of 39 over 3. And this is approximate about negative, 4.0817. And the second one, that's about t equal to 6 minus the square root of 39 over 3. And this one approximate about negative 0.082. So we know that two value in here, they outside about from 0 and number 4. So we will concentrate about the bounds in here. That's about number 0, because number 0 very close to this number in here. And n is number 4. This number 4 is very close about this number in here. So we put number 0 go in here, and you got about 0. We put number 4 go in here, and you got about 72. So after we do this way, we can see that n of number 472 is bigger than number 0. So the peak, that's about t equal to number 4. And we know that they start from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. So the 12 p.m. that's about the peak in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.